So commissions are so important for the sales team. That's what really drives and motivates them. And one of the things I've seen with commission plans is they can be pretty complicated about, let's say, the type or category of product that you're selling. And then maybe a rep makes 5% on one type, but 7% on something else, and maybe 2% on another product. So it's important that those percentages are set up in the system correctly, but also it could be certain sales reps. Maybe one that's been there longer gets a higher commission than a newer rep gets less. And so not only do you have to do it by category of products, type of products, individual products, but also within the sales team of how you designate that. So having clear systems around when an order comes in and gets processed to an invoice and the customer pays, that links directly back to a commission table that's easy to summarize is really important. As a salesperson, not getting a commission statement that matches the effort that you put in is not motivating. And so making sure those commissions are paid is really important.